Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most exciting innovations in compact travel and sustainable mobility, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper. Whether you're an urban explorer, a weekend adventurer, or just someone who loves futuristic design, this vehicle might just be the game-changer you've been waiting for. Let's start with the exterior. The design is sleek, aerodynamic, and compact, blending utility with a modern, minimalistic look. It features lightweight composite panels and a bold LED lighting system that not only looks sharp, but also improves visibility in low-light conditions. The three-wheel configuration ensures balance and stability, while the matte finish and solar-integrated roof panels add a premium, eco-friendly touch. Moving on to the interior, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper is surprisingly spacious for its size. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cleverly designed micro-living space. It includes a convertible sleeping area that folds into a comfortable bench during the day, a fold-out desk for remote work, and a compact kitchenette with a built-in induction stove and mini-fridge. Under the hood, or rather, under the frame, is a high-efficiency electric motor paired with a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery pack. This setup delivers a range of up to 150 kilometers on a full charge, making it ideal for short to medium-length trips. The motor provides responsive torque and smooth acceleration, especially important when navigating tight city streets or rural roads. As for charging, the camper can be fully recharged in around 4 hours using a standard home outlet, or a faster 2-hour option with a level 2 charger. The solar panels add an extra 15-20 kilometers of passive range per day, depending on sunlight, which is a great bonus for off-grid travel. When it comes to safety, the 2025 model doesn't cut corners. It's equipped with ABS, traction control, blind spot monitoring, and a rear-view camera. The structure includes reinforced side impact protection, while its low center of gravity enhances stability, even when cornering or in windy conditions. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model starts around $12,500 USD, with fully loaded variants reaching up to $16,000. Considering it combines a vehicle and a tiny camper in one eco-friendly package, it offers strong value for budget-conscious travelers and minimalist nomads alike.